Imagine NFTs beyond static images. With AI Network's AI NFT technology, we can bring large-scale AI models to NFTs, creating dynamic assets that can change images, exchange data, and even interact with users. For AI Network, NFTs are no longer just static images. With Stable Diffusion for NFTs, we can personalize the image. With GPT-3 for NFTs, we can directly interact with these unique digital assets. AI NFT is expanding the possibilities of creativity and forever changing the way we view NFTs. So, shall we try this out? Simply access Stable Diffusion for NFTs demo site. First, load your NFT image. Next, mask the area you want to change with your mouse. And input your prompt to let the AI do the rest. It's that easy. By bringing AI to your NFT, you can now modify your NFT images to suit your personal style. What's more, all changes are made and securely recorded on the AI Network blockchain, enabling proof of ownership for the modified image. Join the revolution today and experience the limitless possibilities of creating unique NFTs with various AI models with AI Network. Bringing NFTs to life. AI Network.